Hello all, I'm Varsha and you are watching the series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. As you all know, the series is all about the prominent achievers of the country who has made India proud in some way or the other. The main focus of our series is to make you all know about the achievements of our prominent guests. So today in the same sequence we have with us Mr. Avinash Johri, who is the Associate Director of CVTE. But before we actually start the conversation with him, let's have a look at a very small video which will tell you about what we actually do.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hi sir, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, Varsha. Good to see you.
Okay. So, sir, the very first thing I would want you to do is please tell us something about you as well as your profession.
Uh, Thank you very much, Varsha. Currently I'm working as an associate director with CVT, and wherein I'm managing business for Maxup products and solutions in India. After doing my MTech in electronics and PGDM in marketing, actually, I got inclined towards professional AV solutions. As I kept on getting right opportunities, I started enjoying business management and consultative selling to top corporates, government, education, and setups. Overall, now I have around 21 years of learning experience in AV industry, with special focus on professional displays, conferencing, and collaboration solution. Previous to CVT, I got opportunity to work at leadership position with a few reputed electronic organizations, wherein I helped in establishing new business setups for various multinational AV brands.
Okay, lovely, sir. Okay, so sir, COVID-19 has impact in almost every sector. So how does this COVID has impacted your business?
It has pushed forward the market of distance working and learning and unified conferencing devices, wherein lies huge opportunities for us as our solutions fit exactly into the same market.
Okay, so sir, it's like the CVT is into different sectors. So what facilities the firm is providing to education sector?
Let me just give you some brief about CVT first. Founded in 2005, currently CVT is one of the largest ODM and OEM manufacturer for interactive displays, intelligent hardware, and artificial intelligence-based solutions. We are globally ranked at the number one position for TV solution, education IFPs, corporate IFPs, with around 3 billion USD turnover. More than 4,700 employees serving our organization across globe. We proudly hold more than 4,000 patents as on date. For education, we are providing three kind of offering to cater different stages of education informationization. Standalone, first one is a standalone user-friendly smart classroom kit, which is IFP. IFP stands for interactive flat panels, plus basic education collaboration software. The second option we gave is open hardware platform that is compatible with the existing third-party education software or content. The third offering that we have is in-house design ecosystem with different hardwares, application softwares, cloud storage, and sharing platform and data analysis and management functionalities.
Okay, sir, what is the speciality of Max Hub?
Maxup is the brand of CVT Group, the world largest IFV-based education corporate solution provider. We serve more than 2 million classroom and more than 200K conference room in world as on date.
Okay, so sir, talking about the future, what are your future plans for CBTE?
Uh, for India market, MaxUp is dedicated to become the most respected brand in education corporate market to provide the best solution for users to improve their learning, working experience, and efficiency. As long as we improve forward as planned, we will become number one in market.
Okay, lovely. So, sir, tell us a bit about the role of Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign in your organization's business path.
We really support this campaign by Government of India, and our organization is putting all efforts to become substantial contributor to this mission. We are shortly starting local assembly in our factory in India, for which we have already done MSME registration and we have obtained factory license. Soon, customer will experience Make in India product from CVT.
Okay, lovely, sir. Okay, so now I would love to know about your feelings on winning this Indian Achievers Award, sir.
See, awards and recognition always makes us feel happy. It gives us satisfaction and motivation when our efforts are recognized in public domain by such a prestigious forum.
Okay, so talking about your social involvement, tell us a bit about your social contribution, sir.
We've been always very active to extend our support in improvement of infrastructure for education and medical needs. We will continue to support needy hospitals education setup with best of our capabilities. We have recently done social awareness program for wearing masks and social distancing in current COVID scenario.
Okay. Okay, sir, before concluding our session, what piece of advice or suggestion you would, like to give to today's generation who, wants to get into this business leadership someday?
Very simple advice. No substitute to hard work and positive thinking. You may face a lot of roadblocks, but keep moving. You will surely reach where you are destined to.
Okay, such a lovely and short advice it is. Okay, so thank you so much, sir, for being with us today and sharing such good advice of yours too. And we wish you all the very best for all the future endeavors of yours too. And may you continue to rise and shine like this always. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you, Varsha. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, sir.